Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. How's everybody doing today? In today's video, I'm going to be doing a Dollar Tree DIY. I'm going to step outside my little box and I'm going to be doing some modern decor or modern decor DIY using these 3D reforms. I have one pack of the 14-inch and one pack of the 10-inch. I saw a picture on Instagram that gave me the inspiration, and these are the little hooks that came off of the reform. So one of them broke right there. I won't be using that one. So this video is also a collaboration with the beautiful Marie over at Marie's DIY. She does wonderful Dollar Tree DIYs. If you enjoy Dollar Tree DIYs and just budget friendly content, go ahead and check out her channel. I have a link to her channel in the description box. So back to my DIY, I got this little idea off of Instagram. It was like a modern decorative piece, and so I remember that I had these reforms. So I'm going to attempt to create a duplicate of what I saw. So I just have 3 of the 10-inch reforms, and I think it's 3 of the 14-inch reform, and what I'm going to do is glue all of those together with my hot glue. Well, actually I have 4 of the 14-inch and 3 of the 10-inch, because remember I damaged one of the 10-inch reforms when I was trying to take the little pieces off. So this is them all glued together. That's okay about the glue showing, because I'm going to go outside and spray paint it black. So I originally was going to use this little picture that I picked up from the Dollar Tree as the base, but I decided to create a base because this picture was a little hard to. I was going to try to create a slit in the middle of it. So I went ahead and created, yeah, it's too hard. So I went ahead and created me a base with using some jingle blocks I had left over. So I'm going to put the reform in the middle, and then I'm going to glue 2 more of the jingle blocks on each side to help it stand in a vertical position. So if this is your first time visiting my channel, welcome, welcome, welcome. I'm Mrs Vee, and I focus on budget friendly content like this, doing your own home decor for a fraction of the cost. So if there's something you're interested in, go ahead and hit that red subscribe button at the bottom of the screen and tap that notification bell twice so you'll be notified when I upload a video. So I'm still working on the base here. So in order for the reforms to stand up straight, I'm going to have to get some I have some floral wire, and I'm going to attach it to the reform. Everything together, and you can see where I attached the floral wire. I had to use a little glue, and I'm going to go ahead and spray paint it black because this decor is for my bathroom. My bathroom is black and white. After letting this sit for about 3 days, I'm going to go ahead and take the I just wanted to make sure it was going to be sturdy enough. I'm going to go ahead and take the floral wire off using my wire cutters. And I want to go ahead and thank Marie for agreeing to collaborate with me on this video. We both are doing decor for your bathroom, and I just like to collaborate with other great creators so you can see what's out there. There's some talented individuals out there, so I'll be having more collaborations in the future. And I want to go ahead and thank all of you guys for watching. And let me know in the comment section how you like my little modern decor.